How to configure file sharing on Mac. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to configure file sharing on your Mac to share files and folders with other devices on your network. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner and open System Settings. Next, select General from the sidebar and click Sharing. Here, find File Sharing and turn it on. Then, click the Info button next to File Sharing to manage the folders you want to share. Click the plus button to add a folder, then select it and choose which users can access it. You can set permissions such as read and write or read only, depending on how much access you want to give each user. To connect from another Mac, open Finder, select Network, choose your Mac, and click Connect As. Enter the required account details, and you'll be able to access the shared files. And that's how to configure file sharing on Mac. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Mac tutorials.